Duck blood and tofu soup. Ingredients: 1/4 block of tofu. Duck blood 1 small piece. 3 Chinese cabbage. Sesame oil. Salt. Chicken essence. Directions: cut tofu into square pieces. Rinse the duck blood as rinsed. Cut into square pieces. Fry the leaves of the cabbage and rinse off and cook. Change the water, remove the duck blood clot. Change the water and mix the bean curd. Put more water in the casserole, pour in the tofu and duck blood, and resume cooking. Chop the cabbage. After the pot boils, cook for 5 minutes longer until the tofu is thoroughly cooked. Add the chopped cabbage. Add salt, chicken essence, and sesame oil to taste.